Mini Trainstar RC airplane here, and we're going to be testing it out today. I think this is actually the first RC airplane review we have actually done on this channel, but I have flown some airplanes in the past and they have been really fun, so I'm definitely excited to test this guy out. If you're at all interested, this guy runs at around 45 bucks, which is really reasonable for a nice beginner RC airplane. It comes with one spare prop and the charging cable right here. It's got this nice, it's actually a very small battery, but that's good because it's so lightweight. The battery actually just velcros to the bottom of the aircraft, and this is super light. So it's a little windy out there today. I'm gonna throw this on the charger and we'll get out there in just a few minutes. This controller here's got 3 modes. There's a beginner, intermediate, and expert mode, along with trim for each of the different axes. Well, I guess this didn't end quite as badly as I was expecting. So all in one piece. Thank you all for watching this quick review of the Mini Trainstar RC airplane. I'm looking forward to doing some more RC airplane things in the future because, you know, drones are super cool, and helicopters, RC cars, it's time to get into the whole RC airplane thing because you can do some pretty amazing stunts with these, and it just travels. It's probably the fastest RC traveling division, I guess, of any. So if you're interested in this guy, the link is down in the description below. Highly recommend you take a peek. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it pro.